What's up, guys? It's been a very long time since I picked up this camera. Man, oh man, so much to update you on. Today's MotoGP Sunday. We're off to Half Hitch Brewing. We're doing this all summer long, so if you're in Calgary, Alberta, Red Deer, Cochrane, if you're in my area, just check out my Instagram. We'll always post up the dates. So that's what we're doing today. So let's get going there, and then I'll explain to you what's going on with this. There we go with the laptop undone. The night is done. The day is done, I should say. Let's lock this up. I think it's this button. Give me the coffee.
Thank you.
Oh yeah,
Bye.
Thank you. So that's our MotoGP Sundays we have here in Calgary with everyone. Great time. Thanks so much everyone for coming out. Now, with the power of editing, I'm gonna go and fast forward 2 days to get to the hospital with the explanation of my arm, what we're doing, why we're doing it, and some x-rays and all that fun stuff. So we'll see you in a second. Welcome back, guys. It's the other day now, so with the power of editing, we are 2 days ahead and we're off to the hospital. This is the children's hospital right there. Let's see if I can zoom in. It's all nice and brightly colored and everything like that, kind of interesting design. But we're going down the hill to the Foothills Hospital, McCraig Tower, where I'm going to get everything done. One of our newest wings of the hospital. This hospital is always hard for me to go to because this is one my dad was at a year ago for a stroke. So if you watch my channel a year ago, that's where I always was in the videos, was this hospital too. But the new tower we're going to is just for like surgeries and all that kind of fun stuff. So let's go see how my arm's healing. We are stealth mode in the Lexus. It's so eerie. That's awesome. It's so quiet. Okay, let's find some prime parking for this bad boy. Oh, look, guys, the Montana plate in front of us coming for that free, sweet, sweet healthcare. We had to stalk this guy for parking, and we got it. It's prime parking too, with a nice pillar. No door dings, please. Man, that is my arm. So guys, the complication was a screw broke and it was too much work to get it out, so it's in me for life. Damn, boy. But she said it's not protruding, so we'll see. Let's see if there's any more pain. That is dope. That's way bigger than I thought, man. Look at that. It's my arm the second time it got incisioned. Ugh. Look at those guns. There you go. Video. There we go, boys and girls, just left the hospital. I have to go back in 4 more weeks to do another checkup to make sure everything is healing nicely and all that fun stuff. I can go back to some light activity, nothing too crazy. So as many of you know, what happened was with my crash 2 years ago, I had the plate and screws put in, and it was just causing me pain for 2 years. Like just so much pain. This guy has it right away, but he just has no idea what he's doing. Good old Calgary driver. So here's the hospital we just left. Cool building. And so long story short, to keep this video not boring, just an update. Everyone wants me to do an update video because they're wondering what's going on with my life. So yes, I'm fine. All the Instagram posts about the hospital it's just like a follow-up surgery to remove all my plates. I'll put some pictures in from before and after, and you guys can see my tendons are rubbing on the plate, causing so much pain. And she said that I had a lot of fluid from rubbing and my body kind of rejecting it, and it was just, she's like, no wonder you had so much pain, like you needed to get this removed. Like she was like, it was like the surgery to have for me. So that's why I did it, because I couldn't touch my face. If I bring my hand up like this wearing a jacket, I would get pain through my whole entire arm, and it would hurt right here in the front, not in the back, in the front. So long story short, guys, the surgery went amazing. I had the nicest doctor. It was a completely different experience from Henry Mayo in the States there. So really, really happy with everything, and I think that's gonna wrap up the video, guys. Thanks for all the messages. I know I posted some surgery photos and pictures on Instagram. I got a bunch of messages, people saying, hey, are you okay, are you okay? And I appreciate all the nice words. It was fun to read as I was, you know, healing up 6 hours after my surgery. So you guys are awesome. But I want to make the video so you guys know what's going on, and it's nothing crazy, just follow-up surgery, and I'll be riding sooner or later. Look at that. The van wanted to go in and smoked the Ford. That's my guess. Look at that, guys. Beautiful roads, no ice, no nothing. And at Calgary, smash and crash. May I also note that the female driver of the van, is that bad?
Late for a yoga class?
Yeah, I bet that. That was a last minute lane change. Let's see if someone will run the light here.
I'm gonna gun it.
Let's just see. The Audi. Yep.
Fucking Chinese.
So that means, guys, when it goes green, it means it went orange and red for 4 seconds on their side. There's no excuse. Anyway, I had to add that. Wouldn't be a snowcat video without a red light runner. Man, today's video is priceless. Look at this Cadillac with this wing. What in the actual... Oh my good God. Let's go beside it. Oh my good God.
Race car, bro.
This video is just... It's just amazing. Look at that. Lease it. Got racing stripes. Oh, this video's amazing. Red light runners, right? Okay, guys, tell me that's a tuner. Someone in the comments, tell me that's a tuner, please.